Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a Lime Crime palette to review for you guys. Do you want to know what this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I do not have anything by Lime Crime as far as a eyeshadow palette. So when I saw this, when I was buying something from Ulta a little while ago, I went ahead and grabbed one so I can do a review on it and show you guys and we can find out, is it worth it? This palette, again, I did purchase at Ulta and it was $38. And this is the Venus, and it looks like it says Immortalis next to it, but it says Venus in big letters. It came in this little plastic box. This is how it was delivered. And then when you open her up and get the plastic off, that is the actual packaging right there. Lime Crime Venus. And then the back of it does not go over colors. It just looks like that. This looks kind of like a Greek goddess type feel to this. This kind of reminds me of a casino in Vegas for some reason. But when you open her up, there is a mirror on top. And get the plastic off, and there's 8 shades, and those are the colors. And I really like this because that gives you enough to do an entire eye look. So everything that I used was in here, and I used every color but one. Yeah, so I used 7 out of the 8 colors to get this particular eye look. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this for you. And yeah, so hold on. Okay, so here are all of the swatches. Now, a few of them are light, like in here, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there are a few that are really light, but then that burgundy color is so pretty. And then this is like the bluish color. It looks blue in the pan, but it comes out more of like a gray. So the way that I created this look is I started with this marble and I put underneath my lower lid because it has a nice little shine to it just to give me a little highlight up there. Then I went over camo with my entire lid. Then I went in with moth for my top of my lid. Then I went in with hail. This is what I put on my lower lid. This is more of like the silver. This is what I put on there, the silver, sorry. So hail is what I put on my lower lid. Then I went in with ash and kind of just did a little shum 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 in the middle. Then I went in with unveil, this burgundy, to darken it up. And then I went in unseen, this black, in the far corner, and kind of just repeated the steps on my lower lash line as well. So I'm actually really glad that I got this. Do I think this one palette of only 8 shades is worth $38? If you can find this on sale, this is definitely a amazing palette. Like I said, this is gonna give me one entire look that I can do this. You can mix it up a little bit, even though you do have only 8 colors, but it can be mixed up to have a few different looks with the same kind of color tones. But I'm actually really impressed with how it turned out because the purples kind of like blend in to more of like a gray, purplish, smokier kind of look to the corners. And I'm really pleased with how it came out for once. So yeah, so I do really love this palette. I'm so glad that I have it. And now anytime I want to have like these colors, I can grab this one palette. They're all right there. There's no like overabundance of colors where I'm sitting there staring at like, oh, what do I use? What do I use? Everything is all in here for me to create this look. And I do really like that. It blended very well. The colors, the pigment is really good. So I really do like this palette and I'm glad that I have it. Now, if you want to see how I created this look, then here you go. Okay, you guys, so that is exactly how I created this look right here using this palette. Again, this is my very first palette from Lime Crime, and I'm actually glad I chose this one because I really like the colors. I'm not really into blues as much, even though I do have blue palettes. You guys know that, but I like the fact that the blue in here is more of a gray tone than a blue, and I really like the way that everything turned out, and yeah, I do. So you guys comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this palette? Do you have this palette? Have you seen this palette? Are you now interested in this palette? Let me know all the details down below. I greatly appreciate all of your positive interaction, and I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So thank you so much again for tuning in and watching this video and seeing how I created this look with my brand new palette. Now I can add this to my arsenal and start rotating it in my weekly routine and use this way more often than just sitting here waiting to do this video. So thank you so much, you guys. You mean everything to me. I greatly appreciate you all. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.